The battery level before the start of the heavy gaming test is at 77% and the temperature right now is at 33.8 degrees. So let's start the timer and play 2 heavy games for a few minutes to check the percentage drop in battery level and see if there is any overheating issues. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Redmi Note 9s and the Redmi Note 9 Pro all have the same 8nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, where G stands for gaming. So for all you gamers out there looking for a budget gaming device, the Pro and the Pro Max seems to be an ideal choice in the budget range and could be your next phone for heavy gaming. But to confirm that, let's continue with the gaming test and see if there are any lags or stutters in performance and check the change in temperature and battery level after few minutes of continuous play. After 7 minutes of continuous heavy gameplay, the battery level has come down just 1% from 77 to 76% and the temperature has gone up by only 1.8 degrees from 33.8 to 35.6 degrees. Now let's continue with the second heavy game to check if there is any drop in performance like frame drops or lag, or if it suffers from any overheating issues. The Snapdragon 720G gaming processor with the Adreno 618 GPU seems to be doing great until now for a budget mid-ranger with minimal lag and stutter. After 9 more minutes of heavy gameplay with a total of about 16 minutes, the battery dropped by a further 2% to 74% and the temperature increased by 3.2 degrees to 38.8 degrees. So it's a total battery drop of only 3% and a temperature rise of 5 degrees to 38.8, which is well below 40 degrees. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max does great in gaming without much battery drainage or any overheating issues and is totally recommended as a gaming device. Next up, checking out the audio quality and loudness of the bottom firing external speakers in the sound test. Redmi devices from few years back used to suffer from issues of low loudness, but the current gen Redmi devices, including the Redmi Note 9 Pro series devices, has sufficient loudness so that you don't miss calls and has good audio clarity. It is definitely a recommended device for safe users at this price range.